I'm standing here, and we've just finished this Nordic Sports Science Conference, and with me I have Astrid Becker-Larsen from DIFO in Denmark, and you have been invited here to come and talk to us about growth in sports psychology associations. First, could you present yourself and tell us a little bit who you are?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, my name is Astrid, and I'm working as a vice president in DIFO, Danish Sports Psychology Association. So that is one thing I do, and then beside of that, I'm working as a research assistant at the University of Southern Denmark, teaching a little bit and also doing some research. And I'm also working applied as sports psychology consultant as a part of Team Denmark external network. Yeah, so I'm doing a lot of things, but that's some of it.
Little everything there.
Yeah.
Cool. And we did a workshop together where it was we formed a small circle, and we had some professors with us, like Edvardsson and Paul Willman, and some students, and we elaborated some on how our sports psychology association can grow further. Would you like to elaborate a bit on that, and comment what you think is the common learning lessons from this?
Yeah. Firstly, I think that it was a great setup. The first time we in DIFO met internationally with other people and together with you in Sweden. So that was a good first move, to get more international perspectives. That was a good take-home message, I think, that we could look out from Denmark and could share experience with other nations. And then I also realized that we're facing a lot of the same issues on problem, and also facing and working with some of the same target groups and so on. So that's just, we have so much in common, so that's a good start to work from. Yeah,
so lots in common. We have some cool ideas now. We're impressed by your work with students and how you work with these popcorn meetings, but we also discussed future collaboration, like maybe a conference in the future.
Yeah, we talked about maybe it could be, right now it's just a dream, but maybe it could come true by making a conference about applied sports psychology, taking research, taking practitioners, athletes and coaches, inspiration to show how we work in Denmark and also how you work in Sweden. So that could be a good step. Yeah.
And we discussed some of the visions, but also steps how to get there. Like Urban, you mentioned mentors programs, and when I think back about what came up, there was some different steps. What do you think we can do to promote growth and stimulate the development of sports psychology through our organizations?
Yeah, I think there is maybe two things come to my mind. One thing is to talk to our members. What do you need or what do you miss as a member? And that are student researchers and practitioners. And many more people. So talk to them, and then also in that work, show who we are and show what we can promote and what we work with, so we get more visible. I think that's it's one step for us in DIFO to work on also. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
So we need to listen to the members and start to include people in our organizations.
Yeah.
Great. So and I would like to say thank you for coming here to Sweden and sharing your experience from DIFO and all your cool work there.
Thank you, and thank you for inviting us. It was great. Yeah.
So let's see what future collaboration we can make.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.